Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to take better iPhone pictures. Taking better pictures with your iPhone involves using its features effectively, paying attention to composition, and understanding lighting. Here's a guide to help you enhance your photography. First, use proper lighting. Open the camera app. Shoot in natural light whenever possible, such as during the golden hour, like sunrise or sunset. Low light. Use night mode, available on your iPhones for dim environments. Keep the phone steady for sharper results. You can access it by tapping the arrow icon in the top center, then tap on the moon with horizontal lines. Next, understand iPhone camera feature. Use HDR. Turn on HDR, high dynamic range, for balanced exposure and high contrast scenes by tapping the plus with minus icon. Live photos. Enable live photos for slight motion and images, which can also help in selecting the best frame by tapping on the circle with the dots. Portrait mode. Use portrait mode for stunning depth of field effects, perfect for people, pets, or objects. Next, improve composition. Rule of thirds. Enable the grid in settings, camera, grid, to align your subject along the lines or intersections. Next, focus and exposure. Tap to focus. Tap on your subject to set focus. Hold to lock focus for consistent results. Adjust exposure. After focusing, drag the sun icon down to darken or brighten the image. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.